right, let's get started into child's pose. So when you're ready, spread your knees out nice and wide, about mat distance apart. Bring your big toes together to touch. Send your hips back, reach your arms forward, and melt your head down to the earth. Really take notice of your breath, of each inhale and each exhale that you take. And on each exhale, let go of something that's not serving you, anything that's weighing you heavy, release that on each exhale. Take a deep inhale as you rise to a tabletop position. Exhale, keep breathing. Tuck your toes in and send your hips back just to give your toes a nice stretch. Give them some love, especially if you've been on your feet all day. Nice, so come back onto the tops of your feet and then flip over onto the top of your right palm. Send your hips back to give your wrists a nice yummy stretch. And of course, even that out. Do it on the left side. Flip over on the top of your palm. Send your hips back. Getting those wrists nice and flexible. Nice, so come back to your tabletop. Let's warm up the spine. Inhale, cow pose. Drop your belly down, gaze forward or even up. Exhale, cat pose. Round your spine, send your chin to your chest. Inhale, back to cow. Exhale, cat pose. So still warming up the spine. Feel free to add in some neck rolls if you need to. You can freestyle here, whatever feels good. And when you've had enough, just come back to a still tabletop. Deep inhale, spread your fingers wide, tuck your toes in. Exhale, downward facing dog. And know that you can bend your knees like this, or go ahead and straighten them out, showing your hamstrings some love. Be sure that your hands and feet are about shoulder distance apart. You may walk your dog, pedal out your legs if you need to. Take a deep inhale. Lift your right leg high. Exhale, bend the knee and open your hips. Hip openers are so good for unlocking your emotions and a nice energy booster as well. So do the same thing with your left. Take a deep inhale, lift your left leg high. Exhale, bend your left knee and open your hips. Stack your left hip over your right if you can. Nice, come back to center. Make your way back to downward facing dog. Inhale, gaze at the top of your mat. Exhale, ragdoll pose. So walk your feet behind your wrists. Grab opposite elbows. Take a moment to really enjoy this. Really helps to improve your blood flow. And if you'd like, you can even interlace your fingers behind your head. This gives you more of a deeper stretch into your spine and your neck and your shoulder area. Good. So take a deep inhale, then exhale, release your fingers, bring your feet closer together if you can. Then take another deep inhale as you slowly uncurl all the way up to standing, one vertebra at a time with your head arriving last. Once you've made it all the way up, take a moment to reset, add some shoulder rolls if you need to, take some neck rolls, have a nice strong stance, ground down firmly into your feet, stack your hips over your ankles and stack your shoulders over your hips. Then take a deep inhale as you bring your palms to touch. Exhale, Namaste, stand at attention, bring your hands to your heart and close your eyes. Take this moment to set an intention for your practice. Seal your intention in with a big inhale through your nose and send it out open mouth. Exhale. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, chair pose with airplane arms. Bend your knees, get ready to sweep up. Inhale, baby back bend. Cactus your arms, expose your heart, gaze up. Exhale, forward fold. Option 2, bend your knees. Inhale, halfway lift. Place your hands in line with your toes, or you can place your hands on your shins. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. So plant your palms, step your feet back. You have the option to come down on your knees. Bend your elbows lower down at a 90-degree angle. Squeeze your core. Inhale, upward facing dog or cobra, where you drop your knees down. Up to you. And then exhale, downward facing dog. Tuck your toes in. Shoot your hips up and back. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Big exhale out of your mouth. Drop down to your knees. Take a child's pose. Know that child's pose is always home. Take a couple of deep breaths on your own here. And when you're ready, rise up and make your way onto your seat. So we'll take a seated straddle position. Know that you do not have to have your legs super open or super wide. Like wherever you are in your practice, take that. And the goal here is to, every time you exhale, compress even deeper with your chest. So take it to the right side. Take it to the left side. Just take a moment to hang out in this posture and truly enjoy this hip opener, activating your sacral energy. Okay, when you've had enough, make your way onto your back. Bring the soles of your feet to touch. Butterfly, your knees open. Place your right hand on your heart. Place your left hand on your belly for Supta Baddha Konasana. Close your eyes. Feel the pulse of your heart beating. Really appreciate this gift, this space of love. When you're ready, grab your knees and close them like a book. Slide your left leg all the way down and hug your right knee into your right armpit. Big inhale. Exhale, supine twist. Guide your right knee across your body. Extend your right arm out and work your gaze to the right. Let's swap out the legs. Lie your right leg long and hug your left knee into your left armpit. Big inhale, squeeze. Exhale, supine twist. Guide the left knee across your body. Extend your left arm out and work your gaze to the left. Again, coming back to that intention. As you breathe, take a deep inhale. Squeeze into the tiniest ball possible. Forehead to your knees, chin to your chest. Inhale, squeeze. Exhale, final Shavasana. Make yourself nice and big. Stay in this posture as long as you'd like. And I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.